Friends, today I'm going to show that how to change Chrome browser background on iPhone. Friends, to change Chrome browser background on iPhone, first you have to go to your Chrome browser. Then, my friends, you have to go on triple dot at the down right corner. And you have to scroll up, my friends, and see there's no settings to change Chrome browser background, right? Let's tap on settings. Also, you'll not find here anything, my friends, to change Chrome browser background, right? So tap on done. Now, my friends, you have to do one thing. If you want to change the background of Chrome browser, you have to go to settings of iPhone. Then, my friends, you have to go on display and brightness. After that, you can select light mode, my friends, from here and go on Chrome browser right now and see. Now, if you want, you can change like this the Chrome browser background on iPhone. Friends, like this, if you want, usually you can change the Chrome browser background on iPhone. Friends, to change Chrome browser background on iPhone, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give you answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.